For Kaohsiung. Final call for passenger Mr. Eling Chen. Mr. Taking over the aircraft now through gate number 1.
Bilang 109 upang ma-clear mga inyong kasya.
For the safety and for the benefit of all our guests.
It is my first time traveling alone outside the country and yeah, iba yung kaba pero mas nangingibaba yung excitement.
What's seat number?
Bago din, sa mga Filipino store din sa DC Cafe. Bago lang din to. Bago.
Grabe. Puro Pinoy. Kala mo nasa Baguio lang.
Good morning guys. Today is day 2 and wait lang. Hey guys, so today is day 2 and time check is 7 o'clock in the morning. 11 kasi may bibiliin ako. Oh, lamig. Pero it's not big. I don't think it's because of the weather. It's because of the aircon. Ay, wala pala akong view. Putik ka lang. Kala ko naman akong view kagabi. Here's my view. So, palabas pa lang ako. So, punta tayong 7-Eleven. Samahan niyo ako. Hanap tayo sa 7-Eleven na makain. Sana may sisig. I love the roads. I love McDo. McDo, baka naman. Ay, like, may hinanap kasi ako sa 7-Eleven kaso wala. Kaya, nag-McDo na lang ako. Hash brown. Isang piraso. Kala ko dalawa. Hindi pa kasi ako nakatikim. So, bumili ako dito sa Macau. Ito ang breakfast natin for today. Sarap. May kick talaga ng pagka-Chinese yung food nila. Malamang. Sarap. Lagay tayo ng whipped butter. At ano to? 28 Macanis Pataka. Bali ano yun? Bali nasa 200 plus tong ito. Maple syrup. Maple syrup. Oh my God! Thank you, Jesus. Thank you for McDo. Look at that. My God, I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry pero nag-lechon belly ako kagabi. Ang laki nung binili kong. Ang laki nung sinerve na lechon belly. Alam nyo ba guys, sobrang lamig, nanginginig yung paa ko. Siguro hindi na ako masyadong sanay sa lamig kasi nga sa Manila na ako. Kalatang Chinese food. Ano namang nasa Macau?
Alia.
Hey guys. We're here sa Fisherman's Wharf. And I'm here all alone. I'm alone, but I'm not lonely. I'm so fucking happy! Kaya lang guys, I'm so happy kasi it's my first time to do this. Sana all may taga-picture. We're here pa rin sa Fisherman's Wharf. And ang init. But ang lamig. Hey guys, we're here sa Macau Grand Prix Museum and we'll check if they're open. way, we're on our way sa Macau Grand Prix Museum and I'm so excited! Naiihi ako, boy! We're here sa Macau Grand Prix Museum and let's check if they're open. I'm so happy kasi we're here Macau Grand Prix Museum and look, this is, I don't know but this look.
Suddenly you have to go really slow
Guys, grabe.
from the very tight bands.
Hindi ko
on the top of
makontinue
the
yung
hill.
happiness ko.
You are not at all, otherwise
Sana.
you crash.
I already saw Lando. Nakita ko na si Lando pero look. This is Schumacher. I'm here pa rin. And it's Lewis Hamilton. 7-time champion. That's Lewis. This is his car. Oh my God. This is the reason why I'm here. This is actually the reason why I'm here, not for anyone else. This is Lando's car, F3, and look, bro. That's our WDC right there, bro. Oh, nature helmet. Grabe guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy, halata naman, hindi ko pa maalis-alis tong ID ko. Oh. Di ko alam sa nakakain, pero pabalik pa lang ako sa time check is 11:25 and 11:47. Sakit na ng pa ako guys. Grabe, pa lang to, unang stop pa lang. Fisherman's Wharf tapos Macau Grand Prix Museum. Ah. Naghanap ako ng pwedeng kainan. Kaso lang, wala ko mahanap. Nagugutom na ako. Dapat pala nakinig na ako kanina, nagpapansin na naman kasi. We're gonna get the water.
Water?
Kain muna ako. And ito yung food ko. Yan. Nagugutom na ako. This, bali 100 MOP. Okay lang. Sarap.